Academic Maths Nursery 4 Plus, page 22. Dear children, today we will have an activity day. It will cover the numerals 5 to 9 that we learned a couple of days ago. Applying and writing. Circle only 5 of the given objects. Put your finger on each object and start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 objects. Leave only one object and circle the remaining 5 objects. Circle only 9 of the given objects. Put your finger on each object and start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 objects. Leave 2 objects and circle the remaining 9 objects. Color the flowers with number 7. You see many flowers here. They are showing different numbers. Recognize the number 7 and color the flowers showing number 7. Be very careful. Trace and write these numbers. Ask your teacher or parents to help you in completing this task. Well done! You have been outstanding with these activities. Dear teachers, help the children with all activities. Help them pronounce and write the numbers properly. Encourage the promising children and clap for them. Use other interactive techniques to teach numbers to the children. Have a nice day.